Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications have access to nearby interactions on your iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit, tap on privacy and security, and then go to the nearby interactions. Here are going to be listed the applications that have ever requested access to the nearby interactions. So as you can see, nearby interactions uses ultra-wideband and Bluetooth precisely measure the distance between your iPhone and other devices or items. So as you can see, I do not have any applications that ever requested an access to the sections, but if you have one, they are going to be listed right here, and you are going to be able to give them access or not, just tapping on the switch, for example, right here. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!